Hey, welcome to Lurks Lessons. In roughly 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how the National Football League creates their regular season schedule in today's 2-minute drill video. Cue the intro!
The NFL regular season of play kicks off in the month of September and lasts to the end of December. The 256-game schedule is spread out over a span of 17 weeks, where all 32 teams in the league play 16 games each and have an rest day, or what is known as a bye week. Since each team can't play the rest of the 31 teams in one season like other professional sports, the NFL has devised a really cool way of how they do their scheduling. To show you their formula in action, I'll use the Cleveland Browns as an example. We begin with the Browns will play 6 games against their divisional opponents, 1 home and 1 away. Next up, the Browns will play 4 games against a different division within the same conference, having 2 home and 2 away games. For this example, I'll pick the AFC West. Then, there's another 4 games against a different division, but out of conference, same as 2 home and 2 away. I'll choose the NFC South. Finally, the last 2 games scheduled are against teams from the 2 remaining divisions in the same conference, so in our case, the AFC East and AFC South. How these matchups are determined are by the division rankings from the previous season. So, for example, if the Browns finished 4th last year, then they would play the 4th team in both of those divisions. The schedule rotates every year, ensuring that every team will play each of the 31 teams at least once in a 4-year period. Pretty cool, huh?
So the rotation for the AFC North is AFC East, South, West, and NFC North, South, West, and East. So in the 2020 season, the Browns will have their AFC matchup be the South Division and the NFC matchup be the East Division. Oh, bam! You learned something new today. Congratulations! Comment below on what you thought was really cool about today's lesson. If you enjoy learning about sports or sports-related topics, please consider subscribing by clicking the button here. You can also follow me on social media by searching for Lurks Lessons on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Whoops. Alright guys, my name is Jeff Lurkey, and I'll catch you next time.